naniniwala ako na ang bawat isa ay mayroong binigay ng Diyos na talent, abilities. Naaalala mo pa ba kung bakit mo narating kung ano yung mayroon ka ngayon? Ito yung pinaniniwalaan ko. You will never reach at your ultimate self because growth is not about reaching a destination. What is growing? So, hindi lang ito yung halaman na lumalaki. Hindi lang ito yung alaga mong baboy na lumalaki. Hindi lang ito yung manok na from sisiw ay lumalaki. Ang growing ay may hahalin tulad din sa tao sa pag-abot ng kanyang potential. At you might consider this. Naniniwala ako na ang bawat isa ay mayroong binigay ng Diyos na talent, abilities. Kailangan nating i-discover. Yung potential natin ay kailangan nating puntahan, alamin sa pamamagitan ng reading books, have action, kung ano yung natutunan mo. I believe na yung consistency natin, yung pinaniniwalaan natin ay magmamatter sa ating buhay. Ako, bakit yung lubluban ng kalabaw ay hindi lumalapit sa kalabaw? Ang kalabaw mismo ang pumupunta sa kanyang lubluban, sa kanyang paliguan. Naaalala mo pa ba kung bakit mo narating kung ano yung mayroon ka ngayon? Ito yung pinaniniwalaan ko. You will never reach at your ultimate self because growth is not about reaching a destination. It's becoming the best version of yourself. At each moment, embrace the progress and constant change and discovery. Sa una, you might confusing, overwhelming. We often that there's a perfect version of ourselves that we must strive to reach. But growth is not a straight line. Hindi ito yung dire-diretso lang. Kasi ang katotohanan, it's full of heights and low, taas baba. The moments of clarity, moments of doubts, ito yung 2 steps. Step forward, step back. Step forward, step back. And that's the perfect normal. Those setbacks is not failure. They are part of the process, proving that you're trying, learning, and evolving. Instead of trying to change everything at once, start small. Meaningful change start from small. Start kung ano yung pwede mong gawin ngayon. I believe in consistent and take action and not a overnight transformation. Walang tao na natulog lang, kinabukasan successful na. Kinabukasan, na-meet niya na yung kanyang potential. Be patient to yourself. Knowing becoming the best of yourself is not about becoming perfection. It's not about achieving perfection, but appreciating each step of your journey. So allow yourself to grow at your own pace. That's the end of this vlog. Thank you and bye-bye.